If you have managed to do any research on auto navigation systems, I'm sure you've come across countless nifty features that these devices have in common. While not all devices utilize the very same technology, it is great to know that cell phones today, in addition to handheld auto navigation systems, are utilizing technology that make travel and locating lost children, pets, and other loved ones a little bit easier to manage in today's hectic world. There are many ways that the technology that drives GPS can improve our lives both at home and while we travel. Below you will find some great ways that this technology helps improve your overall travel experience. 1. Trip planning. Not only are auto navigation systems great to have while on your trip, they are also quite useful when planning your trip. You will not have to listen to endless whining about whether we are there yet or how much fathers. Your children can listen along with you as you plan your trip and find out fascinating places to stop, view scenery, and get some great chow along the way. You should also be able to quite easily find out about neat shopping, shows, and other points of interest en route as well. Finding something for everyone keeps the entire family happy on your trip. 2. Finding restaurants, theaters, and nearby malls. This is very important not only when traveling to your destination but also once you've arrived. Many of the nicer auto navigation systems on the market today are able to sort restaurants that are nearby. These systems are much more than simple software that is designed for the sole purpose of giving directions. They are fully functional navigational tools. Some of them even have entertainment features, which will allow them to be used as ebook readers and/or MP3 players. 3. Keeping tabs of family in crowded situations. Even in the mall, you can have family members going off in different locations and keep track of them all. This is also true at graduation ceremonies and other events, which may call for family members spreading out over a large amount of space, leaving some out of sight at times. 4. Security when away from home. The idea of being away from home, particularly with teens, can be very frightening. We want them to be independent, and at the same time we want to never let them out of our sight. Having a cell phone that allows GPS tracking of your teen is a great way to have the best of both worlds. You can keep a watchful eye on where they are without having them in your direct line of sight. This allows them the freedom to pursue their own interests and you the security of watching that happen. 5. Tracking important items while traveling. This may not seem like such a big deal until you've dealt with lost luggage a time or two. The truth is that this is a huge load off the minds of many, particularly when it comes to laptops and electronic devices that have important information. If you haven't considered these reasons for purchasing an auto navigation system or making use of the many options for safety and security that GPS technology allows in your life, it is time to give these things some serious thoughts. Our children are the most important thing in the world we can protect, and it is well worth the minimal investment in the software required to assist in keeping them safe.